Hi everyone, what if I tell you this background you're seeing now is fake? Oh yes, it's fake. Welcome to another video. I am Anita, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. In this particular video, I'm here to teach you how to change your video background. But before then, you need to know one or two steps on how to change your video background. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video, drop a comment on the comment section, share and subscribe. Before you think of changing your background, the first thing you should think of is to stay in an open space, right? Just stay close to your window where you have lightning, in a lightning area. That is where you're supposed to stay. You're supposed to shoot your video in a lightning area. So if you want to change your video background while editing your video, first thing you should do is please stay in a lightning area, anywhere that has light, natural light. Okay, so it's either you stay by the door, because I'm staying by the door now, or you stay by your window side where you have enough lighting. Or if you also have a ring light or a leg light, you can put it on and start shooting your video. That is number one. Okay, so number two is don't shake too much while you're shooting your video. Men looking at me, you will see that I'm not shaking at all. Okay, so you're not required to shake too much, because if you shake too much while editing your video, while changing your background, it will show. Okay, it will show that you actually change your background, to show that you're faking your background. Okay, so do not shake too much, so that whenever you're changing your background, if you're talking, you should be, in a particular spot. Even if you want to shake, don't move from that spot. Okay, so it won't show as if your background is fake. Okay, so the third thing you're supposed to do here, use your mic. Make sure you speak loud. Whatever you're going to talk about, you're supposed to speak loud so that people will hear you. Okay, people will hear you. So use your mic. If you don't have a mic, please increase the volume of your phone or your camera. Okay, you can use any background of your choice to change your video background. Okay, so let's start, guys. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Canva here. So here is my Canva. So when you go to your Canva, click on the element. You see the element here, click on the element and you see generate your own, right? You click on the generate your own, then you type generate an image of a living room with couch, right? Generate an image of a living room with couch. So we have to click on the generate. Wait, you can see, right? So this is an image. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So if you're not satisfied, let's click on the, if you're not satisfied with this, see, can you see? If you're not satisfied with this, you just go ahead and delete it and then go back there and regenerate, right? Generate again. You have to click on it. You see, we have so many images here. So I have to pick from, I think I have to pick from this one. I love this one. I have to pick from it. See this one? So once you click on this one, what you do is to do what? You're going to drag it. Drag it. You have to drag it until it fills this space. See this space here? You have to drag it until it fills the space. That is what you're supposed to do here. Drag it until it fills the space. Can you see? The space is filled up, right? So what you do next is to, arrange your couch very well, your living room very well. Can you see this? So the next thing you're going to do here is you download it. I'm going to download it on PNG. I just downloaded it, you see. So I have, guys, when you must have downloaded your pictures, the pictures you generated from Canva, what you're going to do next is to go to your Capcut. So this is my Capcut. I'm going to new project, click on your new project and then go to the picture you generated. This is the picture I generated, right? So here is the picture I generated. So you go to overlay. So I'm going to overlay right now. You go to videos, okay? So I'm on video right now. So you go and start looking for videos that you want to use. Okay, start looking for videos. So let me look for the best video that I'm going to use. Welcome back to another video. So I'll be using this. Let me use this video. So I'm going to drag this. I will drag this to the end of this video. Can you see? I just drag this to the end of this video. Okay, so what you're going to do here is, you go and start searching for your background. Okay, so you search for your remove background. So you can see remove background here. Click on your remove background and then go to auto remove background remover, right? So once you click on your auto background remover, then you click on your your picture. Make sure your picture is sitting very well. See, and then you start shooting. So while it will look as if you're sitting, it looks as if I'm sitting on the floor, right? So while you remove your background, please don't shake too much while you're shooting your video. Any video you're going to use to do this, any video you want to change your background, please do not shake too much. Watch very well. You see that I'm shaking my head and my hands, but it's still not showing. It doesn't, it doesn't look fake. People won't even know that, the sitting room is not mine, because they will think I'm sitting on the floor. They will think it's real. So guys, so when you're done doing this, the next thing you're required to do is to, go and export your videos. For those people that are not subscribed to Capcut Pro, if you're not subscribed to Capcut Pro, so if you want to export, you won't be able to export, right? When you click on the export, you won't be able to export. So what you're supposed to do is, you go here. If you have record, screen recording. For me, I have screen recording. Okay, so if you have screen recording, watch. So if you have screen recording, you just go and screen record. So see I'm going to screen record. You go and start screen recording, right? So you see. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Anita, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Lagos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, share and subscribe. On this particular video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create your thumbnail on Capcut. Oh yes, you can actually create a thumbnail on Capcut if you don't know. So I'm going to teach you the step by step on how to create a thumbnail on Capcut. I know most people don't know this. I know most people use this, like let me say 90% of us uses Canva to create a thumbnail. Yes, I know that, because they already have they are already made thumbnail there, where you just go there, you just go take one of them, change anything you want to change. So guys, can you see? So I'm going to stop this. So I just stopped this. So let's go back and look for the video. So when you're done recording your video, you go back and look for your video. Go here. I'm going to look for the video. So I'm going to look for the video that I screen recorded. So this is the video that I screen recorded. Can you see? So what you're going to do is to go here, click on this you see this pen sign here, the pencil sign here, click on it. Once you click on it, then you go here and then click on this crop, and then crop your video. Crop your video, guys. Can you see? So you have to reduce the size of your video. Can you see? Once you crop your video, and then you press save. So I'm going to click save. So I'm saving the video. Okay, so the video is saved now. So the video is playing. Can you see? Welcome back to another video. My name is Anita. So this is my video. Okay, so this is all for this method. So let me show you another method. So we'll go back to our Capcut. This is our Capcut. So we'll go back. You go to Capcut, new project, and then import your image, right? And then go to overlay. You go to overlay, right? Go to overlay and go to your videos, and then start looking for your videos. Look for the videos you want to use. Let's look for the video we want to use. So I'll be using this particular video. Right? Hi guys. So I'm going to drag this. I'm going to drag it here, and then I will cut this video. Okay. So let's do this. So what you're going to do is when you get here, right, you start looking for your background again. Start looking for your background. Start looking for remove background, right? Look for your remove background. So I just clicked on my remove background, and then watch this method, guys. Watch this method. And then custom remover. You have to use custom remover. If you don't know how to screen record with your phone, this method is for you. Click on the custom remover. You see this brush here? You click on the brush, and then you start with your image. See? Can you see? Can you see? When you're doing this, please be very, very careful. This pattern is somehow hard. I don't really like this particular method. I don't like it, but I'm showing you guys for people that don't know how to screen record with your phone. So you do this. When you're doing it, you have to be very careful. When I'm doing this particular method, when I'm using this particular method, I prefer to use my pen. You know, my phone has a pen, came with a pen. So I prefer using the pen than using my hands, because using my hands, sometimes when I use my fingers, I just make a lot of mistakes. But if I use my phone pen, I don't make mistakes. So watch here. See this place? You're supposed to watch here. Watch. So while doing this, you have to watch. You have to watch. Okay. So can you see? So you can see that I made some mistakes, right? I'm going to use my eraser. You use your eraser and then start erasing. Erase. Be careful while you're erasing. Be careful while you are erasing. It is important for you to be careful. Can you see? So what you do now, I'm going to click on this and then voila. Can you see? So let's play the video and see. Hi guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Anita, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Lagos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this video very well, drag it here, and then continue playing. You have to drag your video, your image to the middle of the sitting room. If you're using sitting room, drag it to the middle of the sitting room. If you're using a bedroom, please drag it so it won't be obvious that you're faking your background. Can you see? I hope you've learned one or two things from this method that I taught you. So if you want more of this video, please do not forget to drop a comment and subscribe. Okay guys, see you in another video. Bye.